Welcome back to Carte Cooking's 12 Cocktails of Christmas. Today we are doing the wake up cocktail. It's the wakey one. All right, it's the Peppermint Espresso Martini. Yes, I love espresso. I make it every single day, and today we are gonna show you how to do this cocktail. Very simple. We're gonna do 1 part vodka, 1 part peppermint liqueur, half part coffee liqueur, 1 part espresso, it's just coffee, right? Espresso. If you need to add a little bit of simple syrup to sweeten it up, we can do that. It's so exciting. Okay, so let's get to it. If you want to come on over here, we use a Seiko automatic espresso martini, or espresso maker. Yes, it doesn't make martinis automatically. That would be awesome. They do have machines like that, but I don't think by Seiko. We're just gonna do espresso here. So we'll just click the espresso. This kind of makes it all on its own. So it's very nice. Nice shot of espresso. Look at that crema. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's so good. I'm so excited. Okay. So we've got the ingredients for our espresso martini. Now, if you wanted to add a little creaminess to it, you can add a little bit of cream. But I think we're gonna go with our straight, normal setup right now and taste it. And some people like the cream aspect, some people don't. That's okay. It's like coffee. Some people like black coffee. Some people like lattes. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna enjoy it as is. I'll tell you that much right now though. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so there's our vodka that went in. We're putting in our Peppermint Schnapps. In that goes, yum. And then the last is coffee liqueur. Now there is sweetness to the coffee liqueur. So depending on how sweet you like your coffees, you can do a half shot of this, you can do more. Sometimes we might need to add in a little bit of simple syrup. I think just a touch might be good here. That's good for me, just a touch. You can do half a shot. It just really depends on whether you like it to be sweet or not so sweet. Okay. Ooh, excited. Get that little shake going on here. All right. And this will help cool it down too, because of course that espresso is gonna be hot when it comes right out. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm super excited. Let's get our little strainer here. Out it comes. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. So tasty. Ooh, nice. And the crema is still on there. How awesome is that? You know, that kind of makes me think, I'm gonna do a little touch of the peppermint from Betty Crocker. This will be a cool little contrast to it. Here we go. How fun is that? Perfect. Now for the time to taste. Now, if you're gonna serve this to somebody, maybe not make it so full, right? This is really full. So you're gonna be walking very, very slowly and they're gonna wonder what's wrong. That is bomb. Now it is definitely peppery, or pepperminty. Not peppery, that's a different one. But peppermint, if you want it to be less peppermint, just use less of this. I like it. The coffee flavor comes through at the back end of it. The peppermint is on the front end. It's super tasty, and you know, actually it does not, I don't think it needs cream. I think this is actually a really nice flavored martini. You can have it at night, you can have it in the morning. It's kind of like whatever you want. If you like this, give it a try. And if you have a different espresso martini cocktail that you like to make, well, tell us, we want to know. Give this one a shot, tell us what you think. Definitely mention it in the comments. And if you like this video, please do subscribe. It definitely helps us out a lot. Hit that like button. I know we say these things, but it does really make a difference for us. So anyways, we hope you're enjoying this series of 12 cocktails of Christmas from Carte Cooking. And we'll see you on the next one. See you guys.